You got hiccups? Who got hiccups? Show me. You got hiccups, Mama? Why? Aw. Show me your eyes, Ma. Show me your eyes. Hi. Aw, you got hiccups, Mama? Where's Mickey? Oh, CalBear. You got hiccups? Why? You're whitey white? What are you doing? Where's the Rama? Where's the CalBear? Aww. Bark then. Oh, someone's mad. Why, you don't want to be in the camera, Ma? There we go. Oh, what's wrong, CalBear? You want water? What you looking at? Look at the camera. Are you tired? You want water? You want water? Why are you licking me? CalBear, you want water? Show me your pink collar. What's wrong? You're still sick, CalBear? No bueno. Someone needs to shower. Oh. What's wrong, Mama? Why are you always biting me, huh? Ta-da! Oh, the camera is falling. Ow! That hurt. You still feeling sick from last night? Tell them that you ate a piece of wood. You were eating wood. What kind of CalBear is that? Oh, you want a scrunchie? A scrunchie, Mama. I love you, CalBear. I love you. Let's show them a trick. Come here. Hold on, let go. She loves those. The milk bone crunchy. Look at her. You want one, Ma? You want one? Alright. Look. No. No. Stay. Hold on. Let's go practice, yeah? Alright, let's see if I could capture the moment. The pretty awesome sick moment. Come here. We're gonna do this. Come here. You want one? Come here. Okay. So, you're gonna stay. Stay. No. Hold on. Let's see if I could get it. Come here. Stay. Sit. Good girl. Stay. 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 Come get it, Ma. Good girl. Good girl, Ma. CalBear, sit. Sit. Good girl. Who knows how to sit, Ma? Huh? You do. Come here. Come here. Here, sit. Good girl. You know how to sit down, don't you?